Hello everyone, this is me, Dji Spark, and for today's video I will be there in Salago just to get my Prestigio gimbal which I ordered in Kim store. So I hope that we will get it soon so that I can use it for my future vlogs. Yun lang po, tapos ipapakita po natin at gagawa pa ako ng full review and yung kuha ng Prestigio gimbal, kung gaano siya kaganda gamitin para po mai-compare natin siya kung walang gimbal, yung pagtitake natin ng shoot at yung may gimbal. Yun lang po, at soon makikita nyo na may gimbal na po yung mga vlogs ko. Hello everyone, this is me, Dji Spark, and I'm back, and I already got my Prestigio gimbal, 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphones. Yes, but I already did open it yesterday, but I wasn't able to take a video on it. That's why I'm doing this now for a full review, and I will show also the difference between having a shoot without a gimbal and taking a shoot with this gimbal. For your information, I bought this Prestigio gimbal in Kim store online on Facebook, which cost me 2,750, and also the gimbal case, which cost around 600 pesos. But it cost me an additional fee for the shipping fee because I live in Leyte. It took me 8 days to get these parcels because my area is considered as a remote and LBC cannot reach in our place. So I emailed the exposed or the customer care of LBC that I can just pick the parcels in the municipality of Salago. That's why I was able to get this yesterday. So we will open this and then take a sample on it, and also I will be doing a tutorial on how to use this gimbal. So please watch this video and click the like button if you want to learn. So now we will open this Prestigio gimbal. So this is the case. It looks like this. Looks like this, guys. Looks like this, and when you get the foam here, you can see the gimbal and the USB for USB hub. This, oops. So this is the Prestigio gimbal. So this is the gimbal of Prestigio. At first, when I open it, I really don't know how to use it, but the manual really helps in knowing how to use the equipment. So I recommend you guys, if you buy something like camera or any equipment, you must need to read the manual, because it is not just to inform you on how to use the equipment, but also will teach you on how to take care of your equipment. So ito na, guys. Ito po yung nakikita nyo, ito yung may red. Ito po yung on and off button nya. So if you click long press by 1 to 3 seconds, it will open and it will start the gimbal. But I recommend, guys, that before you start putting this equipment on, you must need to put your cell phone or smartphones on this holder, kasi masisira siya kapag hindi mo pa siya nilagay tapos nag-on ka na agad. So ito siya, guys. So ito yung mga click niya. Ito yung pag i-move mo siya, susunod siya. Tapos ito yung mga mode niya. Ito yung sa battery life status indicator niya. At ito yung sa status indicator ng gimbal. Dito naman, ito yung sa zooming. Sa zooming, tapos ito yung sa pag-click ng photos or videos. And then, sa other side, makikita nyo yung charger niya. Dito siya i-charge. At tapos, may i-adjust ka pa dito pag naglagay ka na ng cellphone mo. I-adjust mo siya, ito yung knob niya, at ito din sa likod niya. I-adjust mo siya para ma-balance mo yung phone mo if in case parang mabigat siya sa right or sa left. So ito yung manual ng Prestigio. Ito. So basahin natin, guys. So, bago ka makagamit ng Prestigio gimbal, you must upload the free app of this by scanning this code. So, ito, sa Google Play mo to, pag Apple naman yung phone mo, you can scan the other side also. So, you must familiarize yourself with the Gimbal Pro's interface. So, marami siyang interface once you open the application. So you must be familiarized in order to utilize in using this gimbal. So guys, ito po yung shoot ng smartphone ko with gimbal. Ito yung shoot ng smartphone ko without a gimbal. So guys, doon lamang po nagtatapos ang aking video, and I hope you will follow me more on my videos coming soon. Bye!